Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to set up your Astro A40 headset with your Xbox Series X or Series S. Let's get started. First, take the provided audio cable and plug the end closest to the mute switch into your A40 headset firmly. Plug the other end of the cable into your Xbox controller. On your Xbox, navigate to the settings menu. Select the volume and audio output settings. Under volume options, ensure that your party chat output is set to headset. Under headset audio, make sure that the headset format is set to Windows Sonic. Unless you have purchased a Dolby Atmos license, then we suggest that you select that. Today we're going to show you how to set up your Astro Mixamp Pro TR with your Xbox Series X or Series S. Let's get started. Plug the micro USB end of the included cable into the Mixamp Pro where it's marked USB. Make sure your Mixamp is in Xbox mode by using the switch on the back. Plug the USB-A end of that same cable into any USB-A port on your Xbox. Plug an audio cable into your Astro headset and plug the other end into the Mixamp Pro. If your Xbox is powered on, it should be assigned to you, or if multiple users are signed on, ask you which user the headset should be assigned to. From here, navigate to the settings menu. Select the volume and audio output settings. Under volume options, make sure that the party chat output is set to headset. Under headset audio, make sure that headset format is set to Dolby Atmos, even if you want to use 2-channel stereo. Next, download the Dolby Access app from the store. Once downloaded, launch and navigate to the settings menu. Here, you can select from preset EQs for your Astro A40 headset or even create your own. If you don't want virtualized surround sound, you may disable the surround virtualizer at the bottom of the custom EQ. The custom EQ will still be applied to your stereo sound. And that's it, you're ready to game.
This summer we're really excited to show off 2 new headsets, the Alienware Stereo gaming headset and the Alienware 7.1 gaming headset. They have 50mm drivers that produce excellent sound, a retractable mic that is Discord certified, and they come in either the Dark Side of the Moon color or the Lunar Light color. The over-the-ear design fits very comfortable thanks to a memory foam material and allows you to even forget that you're wearing a headset. Both are based off the Legends industrial design. Both of the new headsets can be connected to your latest console. Some games rely on your ability to hear the most minute details, and that's why our stereo headset provides incredible sound clarity. Our 7.1 delivers a surround experience that really gives you a 3D positional type experience, letting you understand where the audio is coming from. It gets you deeper into the game, and that's our ultimate mission, really.
So the design philosophy with Arctis 9X when we first conceptualized the product was something that could be wireless for everywhere. So both for your Xbox gaming, as well as taking the product outside of your house on the go. There's huge benefits to using wireless for Xbox. It allows you to connect directly to the Xbox. There's no transmitter, there's no cables that are required. Sometimes there's concerns about using wireless because it might introduce latency, but the Xbox wireless technology is the same low latency performance that you would get by plugging wired into a controller. And so having the Xbox wireless along with the Bluetooth opens up a lot of cases where if you have friends on Discord and you want to talk to them from your phone while you're gaming on your Xbox, you have ways to mix in your 2 wireless sources. With Arctis, we saw a big opportunity to improve upon microphones that gaming headsets had previously had before. And we developed the Clearcast microphone. And one of the biggest differences with it is that instead of a traditional omnidirectional, which picks up from everywhere, or unidirectional, which picks up from single location, that we used a bidirectional noise canceling design. And with the way we've tuned it to focus specifically on voice frequencies, you get the clearest possible communication of your voice to your teammates. Nothing's worse than having a wireless gaming headset that you then have to play wired because the battery gets low. When we built the Arctis 9X, we made sure that we incorporated a large enough battery so that we could have significant battery life. We also are using a brand new technology to sync up to the Xbox wireless. And so the Arctis 9X is rated at 20 hours, which should be plenty to stand up to even the longest sessions an Xbox gamer can throw at it. So with the 9X, we incorporate a number of different materials to create both really high build quality as well as a premium feeling product. And you get the sense that it's going to last you for a really long time, which is what you want in a gaming headset that you're going to love. So the Arctis sound has been around revealing all the details in the game audio. We've designed it for audio clarity in a way that you can pick up every minute detail that's happening in the game. And that gives you both a competitive advantage, but also an immersive quality to it. My passion is making that part of it better for gamers.